Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so here I want to explain my UAS, UAS, ujian akhir semester of fourth semester in Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta in electrical engineering. So, my title is Explosion of Pollution in Indonesia. Okay, I will introduce myself. My name is Indra Widisatrio. My name is D400184008. I am from Electrical Engineering, Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Okay, the first. In the last few years, indoor air quality or IAQ in Indonesia has received increasing attention from BMKG or Badan Meteorologi and Geofisika. IAQ has a significant impact on health and quality of life in general. For many people, the health risks from exposure to indoor air pollution may be greater than those related to outdoor pollution. In the particular, poor, poor indoor air quality can be harmful to vulnerable groups such as children, young adults, the elderly, or those suffering chronic respiratory and cardiovascular disease. Okay, so what does an air use for? Okay, air lets our living for breathing. It's the mixture of gases and fills the atmosphere, giving life to the plants and animals that make Earth such a vibrant place. Broadly speaking, we can breathe ordinary air all day long with no ill effects and without attacks and also cause. And present, an air is much contaminated of pollution. With this contaminated air, it will cause reduction in our morbidity and mortality. Okay, so what the result? The result is based on my literature and also based on my research on website of liputan6.com. Indonesia has the fourth country that most produce big pollution in the world, with the big number of victims caused of pollution. On the beginning of 2018 until present, the present is last data is June 2020. There are 143,769 people died cause of pollution, with within always increase on each year. In the end of 2020, they approximate that will be decreased than previous years. Why? Because of this pandemic of COVID-19 that makes many people doesn't maximally their own mobility as a normal condition before this pandemic. So, what is hypothesis and solution? Okay, present, we are live on the modern era that also called millennial. That are many mobilities that needs transportation in Indonesia. There are many transportation that still use a petrol and also diesel vehicle. So the solution of this hypothesis is upgrade our transportation with an electric vehicle. But according the cost of upgrading is not cheap, the wise solution is when we are going to use a general transportation in Indonesia, we are must wearing a mask or Indonesia also called masker. That is used for protect our breathing from pollution that produced from exhaust system and also can be able to protect us from COVID-19. Okay, the conclusion is air pollution is known to have an adverse effect on different sectors of the economy, including public health. Air pollution causes increased morbidity and also mortality. Therefore, it's relevant to include in cost-benefit analysis of mitigation projects, an assessment of the potential savings in healthcare resources due to a reduction in morbidity and mortality. Okay, thank you for your attention. This is my explanation about the explosion of pollution in Indonesia. Thank you for your attention. If I have many mistakes, I'm really sorry. Okay. Akhirul kalam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.